What is an action plan? What details should an action plan include? An action plan specifies how you intend to proceed as well as the manner in which a person or organization will satisfy the objectives. It describes the actions to be done in detail to attain the goal. As a result, it is made up of multiple parts. Each action, process, or modification should include the following details: what changes will occur as a result of the actions, who will implement the changes, when will the changes be implemented, how long will the changes be in effect, what resources are required to implement the changes, who should be informed and what information should be communicated. List 4 ways to overcome a personality disorder. Following are the methods to overcome personality disorders. Speak with someone. It is usually beneficial to express your emotions. Take care of your physical health. A healthy body may aid in the maintenance of a healthy mind. Take up a hobby, such as music, dance, or painting. These have a healing effect. Maintain a positive attitude by using terms like challenges instead of problems. What is the 5-factor model? Explain any 3 factors of this model. An individual's personality may be described using 5 characteristics. These 5 dimensions are also known as the Big 5 factors, and the concept is known as the 5-factor model, or FFM. Openness. Individuals who are open to new experiences are often creative, curious, energetic, adaptable, and adventurous. An open-minded individual is someone interested in learning new things, meeting new people, and making new friends, as well as traveling to new areas. Consciousness. People who listen to their conscience are self-disciplined, do their work on time, put others first, and are concerned about the sentiments of others. Extroversion. Extroverts are people who enjoy connecting with others and are often sociable. A confident and extrovert person is someone who can readily make friends and make any gathering interesting. When a person becomes self-aware, he or she becomes aware of everything and begins to look at things or circumstances objectively. List the steps of becoming self-aware. The steps are to become self-aware are: the first stage in developing self-awareness is to become more conscious of one's emotions. The second stage in developing self-awareness is to develop a practice of journaling one's feelings. The third stage in practicing self-awareness is to broaden one's practice of aspects of life besides one's feelings. Agrim does not like following rules. He never stops at a red light, frequently gets into arguments with his friends and becomes quite aggressive. What kind of personality disorder is Agrim suffering from? Define this personality disorder. Agrim is suffering from antisocial personality disorder. It is characterized by a disdain for social rules and duties. They are irritable and aggressive, and they behave rashly. They have a lack of shame and fail to learn from their mistakes. They may lie, steal, abuse, and may develop an addiction to alcohol or narcotics. Define any 2 of the following personality disorders. 1. Avoidant. 2. Dependent. 3. Histrionic. Avoidant personality disorder. People with this type of disorder are socially inept, unappealing, or inferior, and constantly fear being embarrassed, criticized, or rejected. They avoid meeting others and often experience feelings of inadequacy, inferiority, or unattractiveness. Dependent personality disorder. People with such a disorder are characterized by lack of self-confidence and an extra need to be looked after. They need a lot of help in making everyday decisions and surrender important life decisions to the care of others. They are heavily dependent on other people for their emotional and physical needs, and thus usually avoid being alone. Histrionic personality disorder. People with histrionic personality disorder frequently try to gain more attention by being overly dramatic. They are extremely sensitive to criticism or disapproval and can be easily influenced by others.